Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore opening new slide decks in Google Slides. So if you have a Google slide deck open and you click on the File menu, the very first option is New. And when you hover over it, a little menu appears and you have two choices. You can either open a new presentation, which is just sort of general. It will open a presentation and you'll get to select theme elements and whatnot after that. Or you can decide to open a slide deck from a template gallery. And in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you do that. So I click on the template gallery and it opens up the template gallery. And there's a bunch of templates for slide decks that you can choose from. So let's say we just pick one. Let's say we do flashcards. And this will open, and the Spanish quiz flashcards, don't worry about that. You can edit that when you're ready. But one of the nice things about this is if you open up a new presentation from a different presentation, it opens up a new presentation. It doesn't open one up over the one you're already working on. So it just opens up a second one. So if you're making multiple presentations, you can have them open in front of you. You can use the template gallery to get a specific format that you want, or perhaps a presentation for a specific type of activity. So there's a couple of different ways that you can open up new slide decks in Google Slides.